Hi friends, this is RP. In this video, we'll see how we have to trade on 8th March 2022 Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also two stocks for a positional trading or positionally holding for purpose. We'll select two stocks and we'll see what are the levels we will enter and where we have to keep our stop losses and where we have to take out our profits. So the Nifty trend wise completely downtrend. It is a bearish trend continuing. So one important thing we have to see is today's candlestick formation is a doji. So we have to trade the breakout of the doji. If it trades above today high, that is 15,945, then we can go for a long for a positional target of 16,180. If breaks below 15,700, then we can expect the market Nifty may all the way go to 15,400 levels. This is very important. So we have to observe that levels. According to that, we can plan for a positional trade. For intraday trade purpose, we'll see the levels, how we'll trade the intraday. So before that, we'll see the Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty is a decent support around 32,180. So this zone, this is 32,400 and 31,900. This 300 point zone is a decent support for the Bank Nifty. So today also a bearish candle, and if any bounce from today's high, then we can expect it may test 34,500 kind of levels. So we have to wait and watch. So only we have to trade at the breakout of today's high or today's low. So in a positional way that we can try. But intraday, I'll give the levels where how we have to trade for Bank Nifty futures and Nifty futures. And we'll see the range and key levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So key level for Nifty 16,480, Bank Nifty 35,225, and Nifty range 16,156 to 15,570, and Bank Nifty 33,417 to 32,325. Very important is Nifty PCR. It is below 5. So some bounce we can expect in the index. These are the momentum and bearish bullish stocks mentioning in the blog. You can watch the blog. Now we'll take two stocks for positional trading. So this is ITC. So most of the people may be holding in the portfolios also. So stock see a decent support around 210 to 12 and moving upside, and it closed our short-term trend line above this trend line. So we can expect this to retest this previous high 235 or 240 kind of levels. So if you are positionally trading for this stock, you can already holding, you can hold it, or if you want to accumulate, you can accumulate in between 220 to 225 kind of levels. 220 to 225, we can go for a long entry and keep a stop loss below around 208 or levels, and expect this will continue the range high, that is 237 to 238. So the simple trade plan you can plan for the ITC. If the stock continuously trade upper side and breaks 238, then there could be more rally towards 250. If you are holding for, if you want to hold for 3 to 6 months kind of levels, is a very good stock we can accumulate. So another stock is Power Grid. So after hitting the supply zone, Power Grid is slowly drifting towards downside. So we have to wait and watch to accumulate the stock around 200 kind of levels. So here very good entry we can say this area. So 205. So if the price comes to around 200 to 205, that area is our accumulation area. We can accumulate the stock for a time period of 3 to 6 months and aim for a target of 240 to 250 kind of levels in 3 to 6 months period. And stop loss, we have to keep around 7 to 10 rupees as a stop loss after entering the price around 200 or 205 kind of levels. We can enter here and we can keep a stop loss of 10 rupees and we can aim for a target of 240 45 kind of levels. maybe 250 also you can expect. If the price closes above 220, it will give a decent rally again. So this is a good accumulation stock for a medium term perspective. So these two stocks, keep it in your radar, wait for the opportunity, enter and take the profits. So tomorrow video, we'll see some more stocks and also Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before closing this video, I'll give you the levels for trading Nifty futures and also the Bank Nifty futures tomorrow intraday purpose. So this is Nifty futures daily candlesticks chart. As per our technical levels, as per our statistical calculation, these are the levels. 16,222 above only we can buy, and below 16,097 it is a sell zone. So in between, better to avoid trading. And for intraday purpose, we will see what is the market is doing. So overall trend is bearish, but if opens gap up, if the price opens gap up tomorrow, we will wait until the price comes in between 16,097, and if trades above this and breaks below, let it go inside the zone and break downside, then we can sell. If it in any extreme momentums, we will wait for the opportunity. So only we will buy if it is above 16,220. If intraday, if opens above gap up, above today's high, that is a gap up, and comes back and retest this level, today's closing level, then also we can go for a long entry, keeping a stop loss of 30 to 40%, aim for a target of around 60-70 points as a profit target for intraday Nifty futures trading purpose. And we'll see the Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty futures for tomorrow, this is the note rate, that 33,874 and 34,107. So price is far below this level. So we will wait until the price goes into the zone and breaks. That is the breakout trade. Suppose if the price opens in between this say 33,200 and 34,000, right? We will wait if the price breaks this level, or if the price opens in upper side and comes back to retest the today's closing price, then also we can go for a long entry. So the simple only thing is, if you have breakout trade, this is the best levels to watch out. So if the price goes inside and breaks downside, that is a breakout trade on the sell side. If price goes inside and breaks 31,107, then we can go for a long entry, that is the upside breakout. See, normally what we'll do is, if the price is not coming into the zone and this doesn't break, there is no question of trading. So any gap down or gap up strategies, that is a different strategy. As per the gap strategy, we can trade it. But our levels, it is not matching from last couple of days. So there won't be much trades taking place because the intraday volatility is very high. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll see the short straddle every day, how much profits we are making. So how we have to trade the short straddle on an intraday basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.